All right. So on today's episode, we're going from Anchorage to Seward, Alaska, day 13. And I am on the phone with Daryl, as you guys can see, because he got a little bit ahead of us. We got separated with this RV in front of us. But it's going to be a good one. It's going to be about 127 miles of riding, but some just off the bike exploring. A really cool glacier that I think you guys are going to enjoy. And then, yeah, we had to deal with a couple flats and had a great dinner at the end of this. Fortunately, didn't get any video of it. Seems to be the way these videos work out for me. My GoPros are dead by the time we get to town. But it was a good day, and we really enjoyed it. So stay tuned, guys, and let me know what you think down in the comments. And hit that subscribe button.
So I'm having Nikki check for nails.
Crack.
What?
A little crack.
How big of a crack? Does it look bad? Having Nikki check for defects in the tire, nails, other things. Because they got torn up coming back from Cold Foot, Dead Horse. So we made it to Exit Glacier, and the mosquitoes are pretty horrendous right now. So we decided to keep on all of our motorcycle gear, including our balaclavas. And yeah, we're hiking up to see the glacier. Got this nice little trail. Who knows how many miles it is. But we're slowly making our way up. So we have to wait our turn to cross the mighty bridge, so we don't drown in the river. Extremely dangerous here, guys. Hi. We've got another bridge. Edge of glacier, this way. Gotta pay attention to these signs or we're gonna get lost. Oh boy. So Nikki, how's this trail so far? A little steep. You said you want to do it a couple more times? One and done. We're going uphill now. I haven't exercised this much in a long time. Clearly, you haven't done this much working out in a while. Oh my gosh. Can we have a trolley? I'm hoping this is the right way. Oh. So we came from down there somewhere. Warning, stay on trail. Hazardous conditions. We're almost there. I can feel it. I'm glad we have this guide rope to save me. Alright, so we're getting closer. Apparently we got to go a little bit further to touch the ice. But it's a pretty nice view. Just over 2,000 feet elevation. Hi, Nikki.
Hi.
And now we are going to continue our walk to the glacier. The Trail of Doom. That's cool. All the water is coming underneath the glacier there and spewing out. Get you this hands-on first account experience of this glacier getting up here. This is a pretty steep climb. That's it. Good job. So that's what we just climbed up. I don't know if that does justice showing on GoPro, but it's pretty damn steep. Good job, baby. It's a little slippery there, so be careful. Watch your step with these little ones. Warning sign, danger, area closed, icefall hazard zone. And, yep, and put your other foot right there, yep. And step down right where my foot is. Good. We made it to the glacier. Isn't that cool? My beautiful wife, she did so well. She hiked, climbed, it was her first time climbing. Very proud of her. And now she's sitting underneath a little ice hat. gorgeous. Just gorgeous.
We got about a mile walk that way. Get back to the parking lot. Yep. Just gonna slide. Use those Klein pants. So this is pretty neat. This is the living laboratory. It shows you in 1815 where the ice was, goes through the years, and then shows you where it's at now. They're baby pine cones. Probably not, but they look like baby pine cones. Alright, so this is Brad's rental, and it's his second flat tire he got. Earlier today, heading from Anchorage, he got a flat on the front, which they came out and fixed. And now he's got a rear flat that we're going to try and mend together with a 21-inch front tube. So we'll see how that goes and try and get him a correct size later on. So here's the best part is that besides using the propane tank to keep the bike up, we've got the 3 supervisors making sure that we're on par with a master mechanic from BMW. We searched the tire. We thought we found all the nails, but after we put in the 21-inch tube, the following day he ended up having another nail in the tire, or somebody just doesn't like him. So he ended up getting another flat, and that was pretty much it for the trip.